Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope so you are all fine. This is your science class and we are doing chapter 9, Force, Tools and Machines. The topic for today's discussion is lever. Students, basically lever is the kind of simple machine. And you know that simple machine is a kind of machine which help us to make our jobs easier. So lever is the kind or example of a simple machine. If we talk about the function of lever, then you can say that lever is a simple machine that can lift objects with little effort. It has an arm that rests or is attached to a point known as fulcrum. So students, this point fulcrum is basically the point which is the fixed point of lever, and at one side we put our effort which is known as input, and on the other hand of fulcrum there will be load present which we have to lift it. So it has an arm that rests or is attached to a point known as fulcrum. When pressure is put on one end of the lever, the other end moves an object that would normally be very hard to move. So by using this side of arm, we can easily move this load. So this load is known as pressure, and we can move this load or pressure by inserting a very little force which will be known as input or effort. So the fixed point here is fulcrum. So you can say it has an arm that rests on or is attached to a point known as fulcrum. So fulcrum is the midpoint which is fixed, and at one side we will add load or pressure, and on the other side we will apply force which is known as input, and we can easily move objects or pressure from one place to another by using little force. Here you can see an example, that is a wheelbarrow. It is a type of lever. So this point is fulcrum. Here we will apply load, and from here we will apply effort, input or force to lifting these pressure. So if you have any problem students in this lecture, you can ask me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.